The biggest risk of filing an AI drafted patent yourself, it's not the formatting. Well, even then, AI formatting is often wrong. I've seen it. It's not the government forms. Almost anyone can fill out a form, assuming you use the correct form. It's the legal and technical judgment built into the application. Right now, everyone is discovering AI, and some smart inventors think the free AI chatbots will make patent drafting easy. But today, we're talking about why an AI application can look strong on the surface while actually leaving your invention completely unprotected. If we haven't met yet, I'm Mark Trenner. I'm a patent attorney, and at my firm, you don't get passed off to a patent agent or first year associate attorney. You work directly with me to protect your business assets. For years, inventors have tried to DIY their applications. While many inventors can technically convey their invention, the cases I saw always failed to be anywhere near what a solid patent application should be to provide robust protection. Then, of course, came the era of those late night, 2 a.m. television patent mail commercials that offered cut rate basic documents. Because these outfits often hire patent agents, not attorneys, or attorneys, but at a cut rate, the quality is basic at best, and again, not nearly as robust as it should be. But in the last year or so, things began to change. More and more, inventors are discovering ChatGPT and other AI agents, and they think it's magic. But like stage magic, it's just an illusion. And here's why. Lately, my phone rings and the conversation sounds exactly like this. Hey, I used AI to write an 80-page patent application. It looks amazing. Can you just look it over for me? Maybe charge me for an hour of your time and then file it for me? All right, I get why it's tempting. The AI text looks flawless. It reads like real legal prose. But here's what these inventors aren't seeing. These AI drafted applications are often worse than the old DIY attempts. Why? First, because it looks good, it creates a false sense of security. Second, it's usually packed with generic fluff and marketing language. Marketing language belongs on your website, not in a patent application. It does absolutely nothing to legally protect your technology. When you rely solely on AI, you miss the critical legal strategy. AI tools struggle with four major pillars. One, patentability. AI can't accurately interpret prior art or anticipate an examiner's obviousness rejections like an experienced attorney can. Two, claim scope. AI often writes claims that are way too broad and they're just going to get rejected. Or, on the flip side, it writes claims that are way too narrow, meaning that if you get that allowed by the patent office, competitors are just going to design around it. Three, disclosure support. If the AI misses a technical variation now, you can't go back and add it in later. Your legal protection is locked in on the day you file your patent application. You could lose all rights to your invention by not paying careful attention during the drafting process. And four, filing strategy. AI doesn't know your business goals. They'll know your funding timeline. They don't know your international expansion plans. I just can't emphasize this enough. AI is not a substitute for legal judgment. The best way to use AI? Well, don't. You could be giving away your legal rights. Did you know that conversations with AI are not legally protected? There's no expectation of confidentiality. In fact, just this year, in a recent court case, United States versus Hepner, 2026, federal judge Jed Ratkoff ruled that documents a defendant generated using a consumer AI tool, in that case it was Anthropic's Claude, were not protected by attorney-client privilege or the work product doctrine. What if you're using an enterprise level AI tool with a confidentiality agreement with the provider? Still, be cautious. Use it to organize your invention details. Use it to prepare smarter questions for your attorney. But don't rely on AI to write a patent application for you without the years of experience only a patent professional can provide. Make sure your patent application protects the actual business value, and that's not just a pretty piece of paper. If you've got an idea or a draft you want to protect the right way, let's talk. Click the link below to book a patent attorney strategy call directly with me. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical startup patent strategies. See you in the next video.